I got 2 chocolates.
There's more. Did you take it?
And the card.
Uh-huh.
Very good.
Pretty cool. You guys got lots of stuff. What'd you get there, Tiffany?
These are my stocking stuff.
Wow.
I got Skittles.
Skittles?
Skittles lip gloss flavor. And it smells. And some chocolate. And 4 candy canes. And 3 puppies.
So what's the best gift here today? Oops.
The American Girl.
Really?
No, I didn't. I just said her.
Oh. What's the best gift that you guys got?
I think my favorite one is this.
The scooter?
I like Ada.
The one you didn't even ask for, huh?
For my birthday.
What'd you get there, Christopher? What is that? Oh, chocolate. Ooh, you better hide that from me.
Just a minute. Let me see the pictures and I'll see. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at these pictures.